Hey everyone, so I'm going to explain a bit about StackBlitz and how it works in our code. Here we have the import through the CDN. Always remember to import Jsuites, okay? Here's where it will be generated in the spreadsheet ID. I'm calling it here. I'm also mentioning the license, which is very important. If you don't set the license, it won't work. Then, down here, we have the creation part. I call it using the spreadsheet method. It requires two parameters. The first one defines where you want to generate it. In this case, we're calling it directly by the spreadsheet ID. And the second parameter is the object, which is treated as a configuration object. Here we have the creation of a worksheet. Inside this worksheet, I have an array of information, right? And I start defining some attributes inside it. We have data, which are the actual values, the data in matrix form. So here we have the matrix format, as if it were copied straight from the table. You can see that everything is in order. Mazda, Peugeot, Honda Fit, Honda CRV, all in sequence. And then the years and the values, okay? Next, we have the columns configuration. You can define each column by its title. So here it's defining the first one as model. Each row matches a column, starting from column 0, okay? The second column is year, and the third one is price. You can also set a width if you want to test it. And if you want to test with other features, it'll work as well.